Hi, I'm Dr. Roberta Morowitz, a Florida licensed marriage and family therapist and CEO of Sane Games, www.academicgamers.com, mental health games for kids and their families. Today I'm talking about how to make a marriage work with different financial views. And I will tell you, this is probably just about every marriage on the planet. Somehow or other, I don't know how, we are attracted to people who have different views from ours on any number of things. And it's not an unusual thing to have finances be one of them. Very often when you hear married couples speaking, one person will describe the other as being a spendthrift, and the other one will describe the other spouse as being a tightwad. And somewhere in the middle, it all falls. What most people don't do before they get married is really talk about what their financial views are. They may have some idea of the financial situation that each other has been in before, but not necessarily in a very open way. So one of the areas that you really need to talk about is what you're going to do with your money. Are you going to have one joint account? Are you going to have two separate accounts? Are you going to have three accounts, his or hers and an ours? How are you going to handle that? If you find that there is so much emotion charged with talking about money, then you probably should sit down with a financial person. Someone who you may both know, someone may be new to both of you, who can sit down and really talk to you about some different options so that you can come to the table to really consider what the other person views as a value for their money. The other thing that gets in the way very often is that of debt. How much debt as a couple do you want to hold? And what is your view of that? There are some people who feel very strongly that there should be no debt, including a house or a car. And there are other people who feel like it's just part of doing business in this day and age, and that's just what you do. That whether or not you have very much money left over becomes irrelevant, that there are some people who live very much right to the end of where their last penny goes, and other people who are savers, 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 savers. So how you manage it is by an extraordinarily big, big, big commitment to each other to make sure that you will talk about money, and that if you need the assistance of someone else to give you some additional ideas of what in your particular case you can do about money, you do.